welcome back to Sugar Spun Run. I'm Sam, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make broccoli salad. Guys, this salad is good, and I am so sure you're going to love it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you'll need to make this broccoli salad is about 5 to 6 cups of broccoli florets. Now you can buy these already cut up and washed for you, but I like to just prepare it myself, and I usually need about 2 to 3 heads of broccoli to do this. Make sure you cut off the stem and cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Now I know that some of you might want to blanch your broccoli before making this salad, and if you want to do that, that's completely fine. I've never blanched my broccoli for this recipe, I just don't think it's necessary, but it's totally fine if you want to do that. So now we'll add our broccoli to a large bowl, and then add 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. When picking out your cheddar cheese, make sure that it does say sharp and always look for the thickest shred of cheese that you can find. I don't recommend using a finely shredded cheese for this recipe. Now add 2/3 cup of dried cranberries, 1/2 cup of crumbled bacon. Now for the bacon, you can totally fry or bake your own bacon and crumble it that way. But most grocery stores carry pre-made bacon, and I don't mean bacon flavored bits or anything like that. I mean actual bacon that's already been made and crumbled for you. Whichever you prefer is fine. 1/2 cup of salted sunflower seeds. And finally, add 1/3 cup of diced red onion. Combine all of these ingredients together. And now let's make the dressing. For the broccoli salad dressing, we're going to start with 3/4 cup of mayo. I like to use olive oil mayo for this, make it a little bit lighter, but you can just use regular mayo if that's what you have or if that's your preference. Now add a 1/4 cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt and 1.5 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. I like to use white wine vinegar for this recipe, but if you only have red wine vinegar on hand, that works just fine too, and I've even made it with champagne vinegar. Now add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and whisk these together until all of the ingredients are well combined. Now pour your dressing over your broccoli salad ingredients and toss everything together. At this point, your broccoli salad is really ready to serve, but you can make it in advance and refrigerate it, and it'll actually help the flavors like the bacon and the mayo and the cheese really meld together. This broccoli salad is good, guys, and it only takes a couple minutes to make, as you just saw. I really hope you'll try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.